In this video, I'll show you how to post an item to the calendar and how to post a news item. Both calendar items and news items are essentially what Edline refers to as documents, with a few small differences. Adding documents and other content is covered in the tutorial titled Adding Content to Your Page, so there's more details in that video. And the video titled Calendar Made Simple has additional strategies for using the calendar in a manner that will be helpful to your users. Let's look at adding a calendar item directly from your main class page. When you hover over Calendar, there's an Edit in Calendar View, or there's Add Item to this box. So to add a calendar item, just select Add Item to this box. Class Project Due. We'll create that item now. And this should look very familiar. It says Create Event, but it's very similar to creating a document. Let's give that a date, today's date. We can even enter some content here and say, you could even add additional links in this space to additional resources that students may need. You could upload PDFs of the rubric or any other resources that they might need to complete that, but it's certainly not necessary. You can just save and return the document without putting any additional instructions in that box. Now when you return to the main class page, you'll see that on the calendar, there's a flyout and students can navigate directly to the information for that class project. So you can see why right here it might be useful to have any additional links or any additional resources that they might need to complete that project. Back on the main class page, let's take a quick look at what it looks like to add a news item. Similarly, you could always go to List View to add a news item, or you can use the green plus to just add a news item here. Create that item and you can add any additional content by just putting your cursor in the space. Save that information. And now back on the home page, you can see it's in the news feed. The news feed has special features. Parents can sign up for an RSS feed of that will feed to a mobile device or any other RSS reader. It's not imperative, but it's just a nice feature that's compiled for parents in one location. I did also want to show you that it looks a little bit different to add a news item when you edit in List View. This should look pretty familiar. When you add a news item here, you're going to see all of the features that you normally see for any other document. And we'll just save that information. And you can see in this case, I did not add any summary information. So you can see what that looks like when we look at the news feed here. There's no additional information. I just used a title for that news item.